Welcome to Blossom. In this video, you will learn to create and share knowledge in the system. In the primary menu, head to the Knowledge Center. To create a new content, go to the My Content tab. Here you will find a content created by you or other users who granted you read or write permissions. A plus button on the right allows you to upload 3 types of content: file content, content based on text, which may include links, images, and video as well, and an LTI content. Let's create a new file content. Let's give a name to the content and a short description, which will be shown to the users. Now pick a tag, which will be auto-completed while you're searching for the relevant one, or simply write a new one if a needed tag is missing. In the General section, you can set up main content parameters such as category, estimated duration, folder, and 3 types of permissions. All managers can use, all managers can edit the content, and all users can edit. In the Content section, there are 2 options: Upload, that is intended to upload a file from your computer, and External, for the content that can be based on external link. It's recommended to check that the link works properly. You can upload a print version of the content in the same way. Now we should save the content. There are 4 types of saving: General saving, Save and Create Assignment, Save as New Version, and Save and Share. Let's click Save and Share that allows you to share the content with other users. Here, you can give a different name to the content, share it with everyone or selected workspaces, and even with specific users. There's even an option to share the content with the workspaces managers only. By clicking on Send Notification to Users, all relevant users will be updated about the new content by email. In the Options section, you can tag a content as official, which will make it tagged as official in the workspace. You can also prevent resharing of the content between users and even set an expiration date, which will turn the content to unavailable after this date. By clicking on Replace Image, you can change the default image that is chosen randomly and replace it with your own, or simply choose another one from the gallery. After saving the content, an option of link sharing will appear, allowing to send a direct link to the content, which can be sent separately. After sharing the content, it will appear in the Shared Content tab. You can run completion report of any content you shared in order to see the number of views and even who's viewed it. Now, let's get back to the My Content and create a content based on text. In addition to general parameters, there's an option of setting a purpose of the content, such as general, wiki, glossary, FAQ, and dictionary. A new content can be created with the powerful text editor, which allows to upload different types of media. For example, you can upload video from your computer to the Media Manager and make it embedded in the document with a thumbnail in certain dimensions. The same you can do with the images. You can set customized dimensions of images as well. You can add external links to other sources and make them embedded or open in new window. Now let's create an LTI content. For this type of content, you should check relevant settings such as LTI provider, the URL, and optional score reporting from provider. There's an option in the Knowledge Center to sort your content in folders, which were created for users' personal convenience. They are not visible to other users and cannot be moved to them. You can create your own folders in hierarchical order and organize there your content. There are 2 additional tabs here: Bookmarks and What's Hot. In the Bookmarks, there's a content that you marked as a favorite. While in What's Hot, you will find a popular content that users liked, bookmarked and shared between other users. In the left panel, there's a vast number of filters that help you find a needed item in a second. In the Category section, there's a list of all categories with relevant tags, and a number of tags in each of them. Only relevant tags for each category will appear. There's an option of selecting multiple filters at the same time, such as relevant tags, content type, last modified, and estimated duration. There's a lot of social tools that can be applied to a content. You can click a like, leave a comment, or bookmark it. You can also run an assignment log to find out how many times you viewed the content. Now let's get back to My Content. Here you can do different actions with your content according to your permissions, like edit and delete content, show content versions, edit permissions, move to folder, sharing, create and showing assignments allocated with the content. In the top of the screen, there's a powerful search engine that allows to find any content very easily. The search results are divided to My Content and Shared Content. By clicking on the content, you start running it. On the right sidebar, there's an advanced search that enables you to specify your search by using tags and tag topics, categories, estimated duration, and then to sort the search results by relevance, date, and popularity. In this video, you have learned how to create and share knowledge. So, welcome to Blossom.